So this is part 1 or video 1 of lab 5.2. I'm going to, for this lab we had to run 2 attacks on the 2 things that we set up in the previous lab. So DVWA and then Matildae. This video 1 is going to be an attack on DVWA, specifically the SQL injection area of DVWA. Basically, we're going to exploit this page showing us the username and password of various users on here, and then we're going to use John the Ripper to then crack one of the passwords. So first thing we want to do is, I guess, throw in some different test formats. So test like maybe one. Okay, so this gave us first name, surname. So this is somewhat of the format of the login credentials. See what happens if we do this. So this brings up an error. So that wasn't helpful. What if we try 2? Okay, so here's the name of someone's account. 3, this will probably give another one. Yes, there's another name. We're going to then, I loaded this in earlier because I tried this. Let me go back so you can see. 1 comma and then union, select user password from users pound. So if we actually go through this will give you all the different credentials. So here was 1 admin, and then Gordon. We saw both of those when running our little tests. So next part of this exploit is to actually, we have the username, we have these passwords, but they're hashed out. So the next thing to do would be to crack one of these. So I have this password.txt folder. Basically all I did here was copy this hash, paste it into here. So now we want to open up a terminal, and like I said, we're going to use John the Ripper. Again, this is the command that I ran to execute this. -john -- format equals raw MD5 for the MD5 hash, and then the path to the file, or the path to the text file. So desktop/password.txt. Run this. It's gonna do its thing. Oh, I think maybe because I already used that. So let's change this quick. So we'll grab this one. Save that. Oh, I wanted to close this. Let's try it again. And there it is. There's the password for this user. So we like I said, we basically ran a test to see the format. We ran that one command, the 1 comma user, select user password from users pound. Got a list of users and encrypted passwords. Then we used John the Ripper in the terminal to basically decrypt these passwords, and there you go. The first one, this one down here, was actually just password. This one, as you can see, is let me in. So this is part 1 of lab 5.2, and then part 2 will be doing an attack on the Matildae database. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in part 2.